touch me, not unless they want the show to end.
So many people peeing at will. Think Sir Valley in the world is a much better place. My father was a tyrant. We need never obey him again. The only tyrant we need obey is justice. Sisters and brothers fight for the freedom. Fathers and brothers, babies too. All in a family, push toward the river, shout toward the river. Why don't you? In the river, wade in the river, soak in the river, through and through. Once in the river, you are a river. Friends on the shoreline, showing soon.
Of course, it wasn't long until the water turned silty, brackish, and disappeared altogether. As cruel as Falwell B. Clamwell was, his measures effectively regulated water consumption, sparing the town the same fate as the Tangiera town. Hope chose, however, to ignore the warning signs and bask in the people's love for as long as it lasted.
What kind of music is this? The good guys finally take over and everything starts falling apart.
Like I said, little Sally, this isn't a happy music.
But the music's so happy.
Yes, little Sally, yes it is.